here. Oh shit, it is so cold. As usual, Pooja is there, which means it will become extremely cold. I mean, look at the windows, dude. See this? Do you expect this kind of Kashmiri weather in Goa? Sorry, Maldives. What's up, Naishu? Did you sleep properly? What are this? What's up, guys? कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. And at the place we're staying, it's such an amazing, beautiful place. I think this is the biggest place I've ever stayed in my life. The most fanciest place. We have a nice sit out over here. This is our room. I'll give a room tour maybe tomorrow. And we took the special room which has a garden sitting. Looks really beautiful. Naisha is already out. And lens is going on fogging up. As soon as you come out of your room, you have this beautiful view. It's called Garden View. And last night there has been like crazy confusion. You guys know the iPhone 13 has launched with insane pricing. I mean, they did not increase the price much compared to my iPhone 11 Pro. A lot of people are thinking mine is the 12 Pro. No, it is the 11 Pro. You remember I got it when I went to Sikkim. I wanted a better camera. I hate the ultra wide camera on the 11 Pro. I heard the 12 Pro's ultra wide is better than the 11 Pro, and definitely the 13 Pro's ultra wide camera and the overall camera system is amazing. So last night I was sitting here without editing my vlog. I was checking out the phones. I went ahead, almost placed the order. It was full on dark. Everyone slept and I started researching. Should I go for the iPhone 13 or not? My wallet started shouting no, no, no. But my Apple lover part of my body, it was like, please get it. Anyways, the good part is I went to the website. I selected the model that I want. By the way, should I get the 13 Pro or Pro Max? Actually, which one should I get? You're finding it like a joke, right? Yes, it is a joke. The pricing is definitely a joke. This is one of the biggest confusions I've ever had in my life. It first asks you, do you have a smartphone to trade in? I have this which I can trade in, but I'm thinking to give this to Pooja. I'm not sure. You got my AirPods. Already those are not working, dude. Put it back, go. Just for that moment I selected iPhone 13 Pro Max. I think this blue is really good, Sierra blue, so I selected that. And minimum we need 256 GB. 512 GB is an overkill because this phone is also 256 GB. Till now I did not finish 70% of the storage. I think 256 GB is a good bet. 1 TB, forget it, that's like a joke. Oh yes, this is the biggest concern. Do you need Apple coverage? We definitely need it. This one I did not take it, and that is the reason I always slap a case on it, because in case it breaks, just the back glass might cost you up to 25,000. Front screen, though, forget it, it's gonna cost you at least 50,000. So spending 30,000, almost 26,900 rupees for Apple Care, it's definitely beneficial. I mean, that's ridiculous, right? 27,000 rupees for just insurance, and when you slap all this into the total, it comes down to 1,66,000. But I did not order. It shows 5 to 6 weeks of delivery time. I thought I'll check out the phone in my hand once. I want to feel it in my hand because the boxy design and all that. And one good thing about me is, if I don't buy it in the first 2-3 days of release, most probably I won't buy it. Time is 8:40 in the morning. Naisha is ready. Pooja is getting ready. Let's go have some breakfast. You ready? You ready? Not like this, Aisa. Oh, you're working. Please help me edit. You look nice there. You look very nice there. Just don't ruin my laptop there. Results and all are very nice. The only thing is you have to walk like horribly far to do anything. To go to the gym, to go to the spa, to eat, to go to the lobby. It's like very, very far. Whoa! Nice view. There is the beach. There is the beach. This is the reason we took this resort. We don't need to go out much. No need to take cabs and all that. Especially with this potty. You can just walk to the beach like that. They have nice lawns and all that here. And this is the entry to the rooms. Only thing is it's like really far from here. Anywhere you want to go, you see that. There is a gym and all that. But we are having breakfast here. Doesn't matter if there is idli, dosa, vada, nothing she wants. Look at that gross stuff. She wants only watermelon. She eats all Italian, cake, breads, right? Good thing is she likes only mildly sweet stuff, unlike father.
Like a mother.
Otherwise, if it's me, I have a lot of junk, like proper chocolate stuff. My breakfast starts with chocolate, ends with chocolate in the trips. Especially when there's a spread like this, it's like crazy. For me, the best part. I was just telling Pooja, the best part is not the breakfast, but the post-breakfast thing, where I sit and sip on black coffee. But there should be a nice location like this. See this? I think this is the best location possible you can get. This baby, this kid, this Rakshashi, what do you call it? This gang leader. My dad gave her a name, gang leader. She is walking like she owns the place. Oh, nice. Coffee rating is 10 on 10. I'm having black coffee. Pooja is having cappuccino. 5 out of 10, 7 out of 10.
Cappuccino? No, 9 out of 10.
I didn't like it. First I ordered cappuccino, this one. But somehow I didn't like it. One funny thing about Naisha is that fake smile. Once, Naisha, come here. The moment you want to capture a photo and say smile, give a great smile, but it's fake. See this? Fake smile. That is a fake. See that fake smile? Hey, what's up, Naishu? You like Maldives? It's nice, no? Same weather as Goa, but looks very international. I mean, look at it. Ah! No. Okay, the plan is to go to the beach now. We just finished breakfast and came. And I need to show Naisha something.
Oh yeah, I know what. Okay.
Not her sand thing.
I know. Don't give now. Well, she'll not go to
Nah,
the
I
beach.
want it out anyways.
Yeah, but don't show it to her now. Then she'll not be excited for the BACH.
Correct.
Thanks.
Actually.
Yeah, I know her very well.
We're going to the beach now. Good thing is, beach is accessible right from the resort.
That's why you booked a beach resort, I thought.
Yes.
I gave it to you there.
Naishu!
Wow!
Wow!
Lolo.
You know what is this? Sand toys. Can't we go to the beach from here?
I wish it was like that.
I think you can actually, but you need to lock your door, right? We'll play with that in the beach. Come. Okay, we are here at the beach, and that is a resort. Like I think 300-400 meters, and there is a beach. Nice beach. Achaka, so you sat on me. I wish someone can carry me like this, dude. Helicopter. So let's go to the beach. Chapel stand could be better. Whoa! Naishu, now you can get down. This is the second time she's coming to the beach.
Yeah, mom dad ke sath aaya.
Only thing is, the shore is a little bit small. Works.
See that side is not
Really works.
That side people have it.
That side is a little bit bada, but yeah, it's not like a big shore.
Because this is from the
And
resort.
just like, what, 20 feet from here, that's it. That's okay, as long as we have beach. I mean, we paid, no? Nice. Maldives beach is also same as Goa. Same temperature, same quality of water.
See what
Okay, now she'll be busy with this.
Wow, very good.
Alright, I just came back from the beach. It is a very bad time to go around 11 o'clock in the morning because a lot of sun. Actually, I should say we are lucky because till recently, like till almost 1 week back, it was heavily raining here in Goa. Sorry, Maldives. But since yesterday, it is full on clear skies. I mean, look at that. Full on sunny. This is what we need. At least we can spend time outside in the lawns and all that. Doesn't matter how much of a fancy place you stay in, how much ever you pay, you don't get very good internet connection. And unfortunately, even Airtel signal is very bad here. You have just one dot. Jio ka bhi ek hi dot hai. I'm getting somewhere around 5 or 6 Mbps, which should work for browsing and all that. I mean, look at the situation right now. Previously, घर पे broadband was 1 Mbps and that was like crazy speeds. Now, phone पे somewhere remote South Goa में you're getting 5 Mbps and you're still crying. That's how human beings are. Right now, I'm uploading my previous vlog. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen it. In case you didn't see it, please watch it and hit the like button for that. Also subscribe. 20% done, 52 minutes left. I'm using the hotel's Wi-Fi, and luckily to keep this potty busy, I got the iPad. Having fun. By the way, when we come to Goa, it is not about exploration and all that. We've been to Goa like a million times now, and especially if you come with a kid, you can't go out and explore much. If you come on a bike and all that, if you come in your own transport, then you can do that. I don't like hiring cabs and doing all that stuff. Next time when we ride down here, I'll definitely do that. I wanted to come on the GSA. I mean, there are 1 or 2 places that I would like to explore here, which I've never done. One is definitely the Dudhsagar Falls. Never we did that. Once we wanted to go there, but then everything was shut. It was flooding and all that, so we couldn't go there a couple of years back. This time when I come on the bike, I'll definitely try to do that. For now, yeah, just enjoying the resort, chilling, unwinding, detoxing. For me, detoxing is different because all the time when I'm at home, I'm at a very strict diet and I follow a very good schedule. Like I get up sharp by 7:45 in the morning. By 8 o'clock, I should be ready, hit the gym, come back by 10. This is a proper schedule that I follow. All that breaks when I'm in a holiday. 90% I don't try to do that. I try to maintain that schedule, but chalo yaar, kabhi it is okay to do that. But if I don't work and all that, I really get demotivated. I feel low on energy. That is the reason I hold the camera, vlog, I try to do my edits. That will keep your brain running. By the way, in this resort there are a couple of celebrities. We saw 2 of them. They were sitting right beside us. Can't name the celebrities now. That will be a breach of their privacy. But they were pretty cool, you know. They were talking to us and all that. Nice.
Comb mama's hair. Come here.
Nice beauty parlor.
Make me look a booth. मेरा haircut कर रही हो तुम?
Nice salon.
Oh my god, Ashu, thank you.
One more word I will teach now. SALON. People say saloon. Even I used to say it. But our Italian wife, she taught me that.
Italian wife, please.
She taught me that
Desi wife.
it is not saloon. It is salon. N is silent. As usual, something or the other should be silent. Salon.
Show me your face.
Salon. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Salon.
Ashu, पापा
Salon.
को देखो English dictionary.
Aim English रहा भाई.
पापा को देखो English dictionary.
तू पंच करते रहो मेरे कैमरा को. Finally will break it. So this is the garden villa. You see there, that is our room, and this is all the garden you have. Very beautiful. Naisha, where are the flowers? Yes, yellow. Yeah, what color is that?
Yellow.
And then there is a nice, beautiful pond over here.
Got fish.
Got fish inside. So cute. Show the camera. Time is, I think, we lost track of time. 5:40 in the evening. We'll just go to the beach side and just chill. That's it. It's gonna be only chill vacation this time. Why are you punching my camera? I think by the time we go home, she'll crack the lens. Oh shit, it's fogging up like crazy. Obviously, you put AC temperature at 22, 21. That's how it fogs up. Rating for this place?
Out of 10?
Yes.
Right now it is 10 on 10.
Right now it is 10 on 10 as in, are you gonna reduce it or increase it?
See, it's only my first day, so as per that experience, it's 10 on 10. I hope it stays.
Current is going a lot here. The power once or twice in
But
a
it's
day.
coming back.
Comes back immediately. Actually, what is your rating?
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
That's her rating. By the way, Maldives climate is really good. Full clear skies.
Bus cut.
It seems this is a crazy 56 acres resort. 56 acres. I can see like 30-40 acres here itself. Look at this.
Oh, what is that?
It's huge.
There's stairs there. Should we go explore?
अब इतना बड़ा resort है तो that's what you do. Keep exploring. I think exploring this resort is gonna take at least 2 to 3 complete days.
Yeah, that is the
Look at
reason
the
we did
size.
4 days.
Massive.
यहाँ से भी I think beach view है. It's closed.
This is the golf course. If you want to jog and do some workout, proper running and all, you have a lot of space.
I should come here, baby.
Endless space. All the ultra rich people are playing golf here.
Papa.
Huh. Coming. Go there. Go to mama. Go. Fast. Go to mama.
Kiss.
Okay, come. We'll go to mama and
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Bad thing I did. I forgot to get my tripod. I didn't forget, but I thought I'll just vlog like this. Tripod and all, too much to carry. Some nice snacks are missing. Some nice snacks are nice cappuccino, mocha, and the black coffee.
I think you make better coffee.
We'll go to the room, get some black coffee and
अभी
sit
रुको,
here.
अभी तो आए हैं बाहर.
By the way, I think we are not matching our clothes properly. I'm in a super chilled out attire and she is in a complicated clothing.
It's not complicated. It's a simple floral dress गोवा के लिए.
This is simple floral
और ये
dress.
पुराना ड्रेस है by the way. Last time
Look
भी
at
पहना
me.
था मैंने.
Full चप्पल पहन के. खराब कर दिया पूरा टाइम लैप्स खराब. She came and put her fish there.
See?
I think this is the best property I've stayed in, at least in Goa. No, actually in my life.
As on today, because knowing Shriman, we'll travel again.
Yeah, we'll travel again.
And we might go to another place.
Out of the world.
This whole property
Too
will-
huge. And that is the reason I got the A7 S3 today, because I can show you some nice night shots of this beautiful place with this nice ambient lighting. And best part is, beach is right 50 feet from the compound wall of this hotel. I'm asking Pooja tomorrow early morning we'll get up by 6 a.m. Come here and chill in this
Naishu,
lawn.
don't touch that baby. No. Naishu, Manchu.
You get a nice feeling when you're sitting in such open places early in the morning, and especially with this view. We'll do that tomorrow with some deep house music, of course. Pooja already started. Pose maar too. My show is lost. Hey, what are you doing? By the way, this place is so fancy. We have a helipad. So one day if we become a billionaire, which I'm not interested in, but in case luck is like that and we become a billionaire, then we'll come in a helicopter and land here, okay? Back to the room and now planning to go to the gym. This is very important. Yesterday, I think 2 days I missed the gym, so today no way I'm gonna miss the gym. I didn't cheat much, but I couldn't have the required amount of protein that I need to have. Muscle loss hoga, which is very bad. Abhi diet ka we can't do much, but workout we can. Let's go hit the gym and come back. At least 1 hour of cardio. Okay, that is the gym. We have pretty much most of the equipment, but I don't think we need all this. I just need a little bit of cardio. We are sorted. I thought this is the only part of the gym, but what is surprising is there's almost small door over here, this one, and there is more equipment here. I think this is again the biggest gym I've ever seen in a hotel, at least the ones where I have stayed in. A complete dumbbell rack, a lot of cardio equipment, dude. I'm happy. We are sorted for the next 2-3 days. Not a very intense workout, but I think we have done 250 calories. I did the stair stepper and the elliptical.